Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about wallets. Somebody posted a comment on one of my videos asking me to create a video to make a video showing how to connect the Sweat coin wallet to the Near wallet, which led me to understand that there are still plenty of people out there who don't really understand a lot of the blockchain technology, and particularly in this case, don't understand what wallets are for, crypto wallets are for, and how they function. So in this video, I'm going to go over what cryptocurrency wallets are and how they work. I'm not going to go get into the nitty-gritty of the technicalities. This will just be a short video, quick video explaining the basics of how cryptocurrency wallets work and what some of them are. So what is a crypto wallet? That's the title of today's presentation. Crypto wallets keep your private keys. Crypto wallets store your private keys, keeping your crypto safe and accessible. They also allow you to send, receive, and spend cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So cryptocurrency wallets that's the purpose of cryptocurrency wallets. They are available in many different forms, shapes, and sizes, and I'll talk about a few of them here, not in very detail and in no particular order of preference. They come in many forms. They come in forms of hardware wallets like the Ledger, which is right here. That's the Ledger. It looks like a USB stick. Basically, this is a Ledger wallet. That's the one I have. And it's kind of nifty. Recently, Ledger has had, there were some issues with Ledger, and a lot of people expressed a concern that Ledger may not be as safe as it was, but I think for the most part, the CEO of Ledger has explained that there's nothing to worry about, and it should be all good. But if there are some people who are concerned about Ledger, then the other option is a wallet like the Cool wallet, for example. That's also a hardware wallet. And if you are interested in acquiring one of these are great. They're about the size of a credit card. I will post a ref link below the video, and you can follow it and check out the card of the hardware wallet, the Cool hardware wallet. If it's something to your liking, then go ahead and order it through the ref link, and that'll help out the channel a little bit. In any case, so there are the hardware wallets, and then there are the mobile wallets like the Trust wallet, which is one of the most commonly used, which makes using crypto as easy as shopping with a credit card online. Is a crypto wallet like a wallet? Yes and no, but mainly no. Unlike a normal wallet, which can hold actual cash, crypto wallets technically don't store your crypto. So the idea is that, a regular wallet, you put your cash in and you shove it in your pocket, and if you lose your wallet, you can lose your cash. A crypto wallet, however, does not necessarily function in a similar way. Your crypto holdings are on the blockchain. So, and the crypto wallet only allows you access to your cryptocurrencies. It's kind of like a mediary between you and your cryptocurrencies, which are on the blockchain. They're not actually inside the wallet. So there is no cryptocurrencies inside the ledger. All the crypto would be stored on their respective blockchains. Your holdings live on the blockchain, but can only be accessed using a private key. Your keys prove your ownership of your digital money and allow you to make transactions. If you lose your private keys, you lose access to your money. That's why it's important to keep your hardware wallet safe and use a trusted wallet provider like BitMart. BitMart is a cryptocurrency exchange. If you haven't seen my last video, then make sure to check that out. BitMart right now still has a promotion going on for the viewers of Crypto Market Updates. If you follow the link below the video and register with BitMart and make a small deposit, I think of $50, you will get some freebies with that, and you can enter some draws. So I posted the announcement in the community section of the Crypto Market Updates channel, so go ahead and check that out for the details on what BitMart has in store for the Crypto Market Updates subscribers. Different wallets for different crypto. Oh, okay. So basically, yeah, so your holdings live on the blockchain and you can only access them through your wallet if you have your keys. If you purchase the Ledger Nano X comes in a nifty little box, and I'm not going to show you the mnemonic phrases, but when you make your new wallet, when you activate it, Ledger Nano has these cards, and these are for 24 words that you should write down, or you should save them in any case. Every time you activate a wallet, you start it up, you will have to create or you will be given a 24 word or sometimes 12 word private key, and that's the only way that you can access your crypto. If you lose your key, you basically will, and for some reason you don't remember your login password, if you forget your password, you can recover access to the wallet with your mnemonic phrase. If you forget your mnemonic phrase, then that's it, game over. You still be able to check out the amount of crypto you have on the blockchain by going to, for example, a place like Etherscan, for example, but you may not be able to access it, which is a shame, and so not recommended. So you always have to make sure that you save your keys, because those are the only way that you can access your wallet if you ever forget your password. Different wallets for different crypto. In many cases, you need a different wallet for different cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin wallet for your BTC, an Ethereum wallet for your ETH, and a Cardano wallet for your ADA. Some wallets can hold more than one crypto. Most wallets allow for the storage of multiple cryptocurrencies, with the occasional ones allowing for the storage of only one coin, the one native to the blockchain. So in a short second, I will explain the difference between coins and tokens. If you don't know what that is and you would like to have a look at a deeper explanation, then please scour the Crypto Market Updates channel. I've also got a video on that. It is very important that you make sure the wallet of your choice supports the token or coin you would like to transfer. Otherwise, your crypto could be lost forever. So in the case of the question that was asked in the video, somebody asked me how to connect Sweatcoin, the Sweatcoin wallet, to the Near wallet. That's not how wallets work. You don't connect the wallets. What you can do is transfer the cryptocurrencies between the wallets. However, in the case of Sweatcoin, for example, and again, follow the Sweatcoin, link is below the video. You can check that out. Check out my other video on the Sweatcoin and register with that as well. If you want to transfer, for example, Near from the Near wallet to your Sweatcoin, you can do that, but you cannot, because the Sweatcoin wallet supports the Near token. However, if you'd like to transfer the Sweatcoins to your Near wallet, you will not be able to do that. Or you might be able to do that, but you will lose your Sweatcoins because the Near wallet does not support any other cryptocurrencies than the native token or the native coin Near. There are many other wallets that have been built for the Near ecosystem, and they do support other tokens other than Near itself, but this particular one, the one for the Near coin, only support the Near coin. So if you do send the Sweatcoin to the Near wallet, then poof, that's all gone. So you have to make sure when you transfer, you can transfer your crypto between wallets, but you have to make sure that the wallet you transfer into actually supports the blockchain for the particular token or coin that you are sending. Like Bitcoin in particular, a lot of I guess these days, most of the wallets that are being produced, issued, are do support Bitcoin. In the past, Bitcoin had its own wallets, and you could only use the wallets that were designed to host Bitcoin, because Bitcoin runs on its own blockchain, the Bitcoin blockchain. And for example, you would not have been able to send Bitcoin into an Ethereum wallet in the past. Now there are wallets that do allow for that to happen. Quick note on what is the difference between coin versus tokens. Cryptocurrencies, coins are digital assets that have their own blockchain. So think of a coin like a Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are coins that actually have their own blockchains. Tokens, on the other hand, are digital assets that rely on another blockchain. Coins are often used as a store of value, while tokens are used to power decentralized applications. So there have been tons and tons of projects that were developed on the Ethereum blockchain, which is why Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency right now, because it had an early start, and most of the projects, the crypto projects that were first developed, were developed on Ethereum, because Bitcoin was simply a coin that people could send left and right, but nothing was, there was no, it was impossible to develop anything on the Bitcoin blockchain. Ethereum was the first coin that actually allowed for the development of dApps, on decentralized applications on the blockchain, and so the applications that have been developed on the Ethereum blockchain, the ERC20 tokens, they are called tokens. So these applications run on the Ethereum blockchains. They're not coins. They will have their own tokens, but they're not considered coins because they don't have their own blockchains. I hope that makes sense. Maybe I was rambling on too much. Again, if you would like to have a look at a very specific video on that, please check out maybe I'll just post it in the video below here. That'll be used. So how many wallets do I need? Wallets through exchanges like BitMart and Binance contain wallets for every asset you know, and when you deposit a new asset, a new wallet address is created for that asset. In other words, they are multi-asset wallets. So normally most wallets that you have, like I said, for the native tokens, you will have one. Even now, the native tokens, or rather the native coins, will have will allow for the storage of other cryptocurrencies. But exchanges, and many people don't recommend storing your crypto on exchanges because, you know, like in the case of Mt. Gox, for example, which is old times. But if for some reason a cryptocurrency exchange becomes insolvent, then you stand a chance of losing your crypto. So self-custody is preferred by many, and it's always better to have access to your crypto. You can always stake your crypto if that's what you're after. You can stake your crypto using, for example, Ledger. You can still stake your crypto through Ledger on Binance, even though it is not necessarily being held on Binance. So in any case, cryptocurrency exchanges will have multiple wallets, and every time you send or receive a cryptocurrency on a particular exchange, whatever exchange you are registered with, you will need to initially create a wallet for that particular cryptocurrency before you receive it or send it. Otherwise, that currency, the coin, token, whatever you're sending, will poof, disappear into the abyss of the blockchain, and you're highly likely or highly unlikely to ever see it again. This means that if you are uncomfortable using a custodial wallet service, most exchanges are custodial, meaning you do not own the keys. Then you do not need to worry at all about having different wallets, as the exchange will take care of all of that for you. Right now, there are a bunch of wallets that do allow for the storage of multiple cryptocurrencies. So while in the past it was possibly a bit challenging you had to have a number of wallets, but these days wallets like Trust Wallet, MyETH Wallet, MetaMask, and Exodus, these are just some, but the wallets that are mostly used are MetaMask, and Trust Wallet and my ETH wallet. I guess not so much anymore, but initially it was a massive thing. It's still used, but I guess Trust Wallet and MetaMask are the ones that are most used these days. But there are many other ones, and everybody has their own preference. But so these are just some wallets that are that allow you to store most, if not all, cryptocurrencies that are available out there. That's it. That is a short introduction to cryptocurrency wallets. I hope this was helpful. I hope that kind of clarified to those of you who were a little bit confused about how cryptocurrency wallets work. Hope this was helpful. If it was, then make sure to smash up the likes, subscribe to the channel, check out the links below if you want to acquire a cool wallet, and of course make sure to follow the link below. And then check out all the other goodies with BitMart and all the other stuff that's listed in the below the video. Alrighty, I get winded after these videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.